How's it going, everybody? This is Beat the Bush. Today I'm going to show you how to collect a bunch of flowers on the beach and make a lei with it. I'm over here on the beaches of Maui and this is what I'm gonna be doing this morning. Before it falls down, before they bloom over there, the ones that fell down, it turned orange. Look at this, looks just perfect. Put it into my bag. Some more over here. No, this one has a broken petal. Reject. I saw some more over here. See, I'm going down this along the beach over there. And there's some more over there. This guy, does this guy look good? This guy looks pristine, except for this right here. Okay, it is pristine. I'll keep that one. Oh, a few very good ones over here. This one's been chewed on a little bit at the end. I'll keep this anyway. There's one caught on the leaves over here. And if you look down over here, there's one that I have not touched yet. I think it fell from the tree just now. Look at this. I'm at the tail end of this thing and I've came upon this cave-like thing. Over there, a coconut. I found a coconut. I don't know if you can use this. Save that for later. Alright. You can walk right up behind it. Give it a try. You're supposed to rip this husk off first. Oh, it's leaking food.
Yeah, that's its food.
Maybe you jammed it in. Oh, it's leaking the water now.
Well, that's just from the fiber. It smells a little rotten in there.
Oh.
See, he started to grow out of the top of the coconut there.
There it is. My pack of flowers. Get one of these strings to tie it. Go grab one of these guys from one of these trees. So we want this center strand over here. Nope, that one didn't do it. Now I can string the flowers on this. Oops. I guess I ruined that one. This is my progress so far. Awesome. All the stems from the flowers that's left over. And now we are done. Gotta wash my hands. Making your own lei is awesome. Ah!